Welcome to Standard 6, Term 3, Unit 1 poem Indian Seasons, written by Nisha Dairan. This poem is about the seasons of India. Let's see the poem. Now I will read the poem, then I will give the explanation. Indian seasons. First season is summer. Summer comes in a blaze of heat with sunny smiles and dusty feet. Monsoon. Then seasons change to muddy roads, monsoons and mangoes, leap frogs and toads. Spring. Spring is pretty but short and sweet when you can smell the grass from your garden seat. Autumn. Autumn is English in red, yellow and brown. Autumn is Indian whenever leaves fall down. Glossary. Blaze. Bright flame or fire. Leap. To high jump. Dusty. Covered with tiny bits of sands. Toad. A small brown animal similar to a frog. Summer. Summer comes in a blaze of heat with the sunny smiles and dusty feet. Yes, during the summer season, how was the sun? The sun was very heat. In a blaze of heat. Blaze of heat means the heat of the sun. The heat of the sun. And with the sunny smiles, how was the sun? The sun looks very brightful and becomes very dusty feet. Dusty feet means the ground and roads become very dry during the summer season. Yes, it become dusty feet to us. So summer comes in a blaze of heat with a full heat of sun and with the sunny smiles and dusty feet. Yes, sunny smiles and dusty feet. During the summer season, we need tent and we feel very thirsty. So we drink more water during the summer season. Monsoon. Then season change. Yes, each and 2-3 in between the 2-3 months the season change to muddy roads. Monsoon means rainy season. During the main rainy season, the road become muddy. Muddy means the water and soil mixed them and it becomes muddy. And monsoon and mangoes, leaps, frogs and toads. Yes, during the monsoon season, the mangoes which will grows and leap frogs and toads. Leap frog means in the rain during the rainy season, the frogs gives birth to the little one. Little one means toads. Okay, a small brown animal similar to a frog. Yes, the small one of frog. That means toads. Leapfrog means the frogs jump through the water. Then season changed into muddy roads, monsoons and mangoes, leapfrogs and toads. In the monsoon season, we need umbrella because it was a rainy season, so we need umbrella to go out of the house. Spring. Spring is pretty but short and sweet when you can smell the grass from your garden seat. Yes, during the spring season is very pretty and very beautiful season. But the season is very short, but the season is very sweet one. Sweet means it looks like a beautiful scenery. We saw very beautiful scenery during the spring season. When you can smell the grass, yes, the newly grass grown during the spring season from your garden seat. Yes, from the garden, the newly grown grasses are smells good. See, this is the season of spring. During this spring season, we saw many beautiful flowers in the garden and newly grown grasses. See how beautiful the flowers are. So during this spring season, we saw many beautiful flowers. Autumn. Autumn is English in red, yellow, and brown. Autumn is Indian whenever leaves fall down. Yes, autumn season means in foreign countries. English means foreign countries. The leaves change into red, yellow, and brown. But in India, the autumn season become whenever leaves fall down. In India, the leaves fall down, it becomes a autumn season. Yes, in foreign country, the leaves changes into red, yellow, and brown. In India, the leaves fall down. So this is called a autumn season. Okay. So during the autumn season and foreign countries, the leaves are changed into color, change the colors, and in India, it's fall down. The poem was written by Nisha Dairen.